Right, so we're back in these choppy waters of Bitcoin doing absolutely nothing. And I actually realized, so I took a few trades today and yesterday because everything was looking juicy. I'm not actually going to tell you guys which trades I'm taking because I don't want you to take them and lose money because I believe they're a bit risky. However, this right here is not looking good, Brev. This is looking bearish to me. In the immediate short term, not in the long term. Don't worry. Don't cry. Don't get scared. We're still chilling. But global M2, the global liquidity has taken up a little bit. Usually Bitcoin has a 3 month lag on that, which means we may be going higher, even slightly. Because if we look at global liquidity versus Bitcoin, and if we look at I think this chart isn't the best, but it just shows you as global liquidity goes up, so does Bitcoin's price. Will it give us? Yeah, look at this. S&P 500 versus global M2. As you can see, when global liquidity goes up, so does risk assets. And hopefully, with Trump saying that he does want to bring interest rates down, we're going to get that. But we have to look at dominance. Because Bitcoin dominance needs to roll over. We've had a rejection over the last few days because Bitcoin's seen this parabolic move upwards, even up to 64%, which it came down from. But we need this to roll over really. But it looks like it's bottomed out on the daily time frame. What about on the weekly? The weekly, it looks like it's heading higher, which isn't good at all. Ether today looks like it's been absolutely smashed, and everyone's getting bearish. Usually when everyone's getting bearish, it's a good sign. Even when people who have been in this market for years are getting bearish and have given up, usually that does indicate a bottom. Because the selling pressure and the beatdown that everyone's taken over these last few months, from extreme greed all the way down to 35 fear, and we're currently in 41, so we are neutral. We're neutral on this indicator as well. It's rinsed everyone out. If we look at the monthly, it looks like we are going to head higher to 110k in the medium term. In the immediate short term, it looks like we're going to head lower to 94, possibly even to the 92k region. It does look that way, you have to be honest. Look at all this liquidity building up, and then we're going to head higher towards that 100k region. It's not going to be easy, but we're going to get there. I'm also going to have a little look at the bookmarks today. Gary Gensler, he's in his face. We're going to get to him in a minute. People are still buying Bitcoin while retail are buying meme coins. Truthfully, if you're buying meme coins, you might be cooked. Let's be real, the majority of people lose money. The top cryptos are usually the ones that move the most and get most of the liquidity. So all these top 10, maybe even top 5, I'd say, just to be less risky, are the ones you should be messing with. I repeat, never buy a celebrity or a call token. It will always go to zero. Always. The Dow Jones Industrial Average and S&P 500 have moved in opposite directions in 50 out of the last 200 days. Such a large divergence has never happened before. This streak extends previous records seen in the 1994 bond market crisis and the 2000 dot-com bubble. The Dow Jones Industrial Average has lagged the S&P 500 by 17% points over the last 2 years. As large cap technology stocks increasingly drive the market, the Dow is falling behind. Currently, the large cap tech only reflects approximately 14% of the Dow compared to approximately 33% of the S&P 500. Is the Dow Jones Industrial Average Index outdated? Nobody follows it, you know. Divergence like that can't be good. That's bad. US stock market all-time high. Gold new all-time high. Bitcoin can't even break 98. This is pure manipulation done by the cartels to bone shake all the panic sellers out. Hold tight. It's not the time to quit. The cartel. Who the hell brought the cartel into this? Washington's DC economy looks like 2008. Unemployment filings in Washington surged plus 36% in 1 week to 3 times the 2024 average. Over the last 6 weeks, unemployment, what the hell? You know what? Genuinely speaking, our economy is in crisis. The US economy is in crisis. They're just covering it up, kicking it under the carpet, and then we're going to see some major depression. Global depression, bro. And we're going to get onto that in just a minute. About 38 minutes ago, someone made a 26k mistake. They listed an NFT for too cheap. That's crazy, bro. Imagine doing that. I remember when I did that on cards on Foot Champs and FIFA. That's bad. President's rugging meme coins in 60 minutes was not on my 2025 bucket list. People are rugging memes like there's no tomorrow, man. This is the meme coin cycle, but not in a good way. We're getting smoked. I already think this Solana ETF approval this month. Solana's gonna go to zero, man. Look at ETH. Look at ETH after it got its ETF approval. I swear it was at 4k. It was at 4k. Obviously the market priced it in. I know that. Then it crashed like the Bitcoin one did. All the whales loaded up. Similar thing again. They seem to be loading up. And I think Ethereum does fly very soon. I'm going to be honest. 1997 warning. 1997 Rich Dad Poor Dad had to self-publish because editors working for New York Publishing House rejected my book. When it comes to money, you don't know what you're talking about. The rich don't work for money. This is why they rejected his book. 2025 millions of employees are losing their jobs. The rich are entrepreneurs, create jobs and work to own or create assets. The house, your house, is not an asset. Definition of an asset is put money in your pocket without working. Liability takes money from your pocket. People who struggle financially often call their liabilities, such as their home or car, an asset. In 2025, home prices are crashing, and even though home prices are crashing, millions cannot afford to buy a home, causing homelessness to be a pandemic. That's mad. Savers are losers. Inflation is caused when the Fed and Treasury print trillions in fake money. Fake money is called fiat money. 2025 millions are waking up to the government's theft of their wealth via their money. Millions of smart people are saving real gold, real silver, Bitcoin. Gold and silver are alright, chill. Bitcoin is people's money. If you want financial freedom, you may want to follow the rules. What is, if we look at eToro, let's go over to eToro today, and we look and search for silver. Is silver going to come up? I don't even know my thing for this. Even if you guys try and rob me on this, it's not going to work, you know. Just because... What about that? I'm not going to do that. Let's just check silver's price. Talking about $25. About over the 5 year. It's still printing, you know. I remember buying it for about 17 cents. But I was a very bad trader, you know. I was buying it on 100x leverage. Like a degenerate. Not Bitcoin. I'm on about the real gold. Gold price chart today. What are we talking? We can actually check this on TradingView. So if we go over to gold. 2,800. That's madness. Silver. $32. Okay. Silver's gonna fly apparently. It's needed for electric cars. Gary, we are sorry. Please come back. Bruh. Please come back, G. I'm not even joking. People think I'm joking. Come back, bro. I don't care. It was better with you at the wheel. It was better. Our meme coins weren't tanking. Our altcoins weren't tanking. Please come back, my brody. I wouldn't get upset about meme coins. Crypto is inevitable. Nation states buying, politicians buying. This is just the beginning. But you know, that is so wrong. Not your meme coins. Every meme coin will not go up. Every alt will not go up. You should get upset because you've lost. And you aren't here to lose. Because 99% lose and 1% win. So you want to be that 1% who wins. Because why would you be here otherwise? You haven't come here to lose money. So you're not getting that advice from me. No way. 10 days of BTC price action, mental illness visualized. That is awful. Never been more scared in my life. Your biggest portfolio position, alts, cash. Why would you even hold a stock, man? BTC. Meme coins are ruining crypto. Real. All meme coins will eventually go to zero. Only exception, Doge and Omikami. Don't forget the big dog. Don't forget the Doge killer. that it's actually going to pump because it's going to be called the Doge Killer. Starting to believe too many people will be well positioned to reap the rewards of this massive alt season, which they also saw as inevitable. So of course they had to do something about it. This game isn't designed to make the average player rich. Now, stay with me and think. If you had enormous power, what would you do to shake out as many market participants as possible before sending everything to one final euphoric run? Maybe something like this. Pump only Bitcoin since most small players are heavily exposed to alts, leading to mass frustration. True. Set up the most brutal PvP market possible, where holding feels useless, pushing inexperienced people into day trading. That's mad. And ultimately rugging them. Flood the market with millions of... That's mad, because they sent him into a trap with the LIBRA token, with the Trump token. Holy, that's crazy. That is crazy. Create countless short-term insider narratives so people sell their solid utility coins for shiny new... Buy the top and get wrecked. Design the worst price action possible. Yes, they can paint any chart they want to confuse even the sharpest analyst. Trigger mass panic through market manipulation, especially on illiquid weekends, and blame it on QT tariffs and other irrelevant BS. Use social media to amplify the already disgusting sentiment, creating an endless cycle of negativity. Get one of the most powerful men on the planet to onboard a new wave of retailers, only to rug them 24 hours later. Go all day. Gets more obvious by the day. Good news, the plan worked perfectly. A lot of people left. Sentiment worse. No one outside the magic internet money echo chamber gives a single F about this industry right now. Perfect conditions for something crazy to happen, or am I wrong? Anyway, if you're still here, congrats. You're one of the few people who will reap rewards when the time comes. When? I don't know. But probably sooner than you think. 2025 will be our year. That is beautiful. That, my friend, is beautiful. BEA, right? Yeah. Boom. That was splendid. The altcoin bottom is in. You can't be rugged if you do not buy scams. Simply do not gamble. Hope this helps. Yeah, stick to solid plays, man. I'm gonna be real. And I'm going to go into this in a bit more detail soon. This is my play of the cycle right here. Casper. It's going to get a Coinbase list. It actually went down to stupidly cheap prices. 7.5 cents, I believe. That is my play of the cycle, and I'll explain why in my next video. More global liquidity, higher Bitcoin prices. It's just a matter of time, and I explained this earlier. So if we look at liquidity, M2... It looks like it's lowered, but it's ticked up. You see that slight tick? If that is going up, that's a very good sign. What's this green stuff? M2 growth. They need to start turning on these printers, bro, because I've had enough. Save all your money, then die versus get so rich you have money to waste and enjoy. I know which one I want to be. Whoa, looks like BNB chain flipped Ethereum on total gas fees in the last 7 days. Slowly but surely. That's never happened before. Damn, BNB chain is popping, man. People in my Telegram are saying that as well. People are making money off that. The Omikami supply shock, a structural inevitability. At first it will seem like any other market cycle, small price movements, gradual accumulation, but beneath the surface the mechanics are shifting. 999 million Kami tokens exist, yet only 20 million are available in liquid pools. The majority of supply is held by long-term investors, reducing sell-side pressure. As demand increases, the available supply will dry up fast. We've seen this before. Low liquidity, high demand, and sudden inflow of buyers create a supply shock. Order books thin, volatility spikes, and price movements become exponential. This is how parabolic breakouts form. With major exchange listings on the horizon, institutions and retail alike will compete for an increasingly scarce asset, and when liquidity evaporates, price action won't be gradual, it'll be immediate. It'll happen when a structurally limited asset meets sudden mass demand. By the time the market reacts, the opportunity will have passed. And you know how this demand's going to come? The only way this demand comes for any coin, even though I think it is the best meme coin, you need to remember it is a meme coin. You need to take profits in 2025. And how that's going to happen is exchange listings. We need exchange listings for Omikami, and I believe they're just around the corner. So Tails, my boy, analysed AIXBT. 184 million market cap, smart engagement ratio plus up to 200%, mindshare metrics ending plus 400% versus the average, holder distribution looking particularly strong, above tier average, significantly outperforming Hey Anons and Griffins. Price action shows moderate 7-day decline compared to Hey Anon and Griffin, suggesting potential market inefficiency given AIXBT superior metrics. Bro, what is this guy doing? Looks like the clear winner. Those engagement and mindshare numbers are out of this world. But these AIs are chatting to each other, man. It's getting kind of scary. Brett team dropping multi-million marketing campaign while others cope. Now the number one meme coin on base with 800k holders trading up. Yo, let's have a little look at Brett. It's down 80% from the December peak. Let's have a little look at Brett, bro. Because Brett is looking like a solid play, you know. Solid. Look at this. It's low, man. I never ever thought I'd see it at this price again. Ever. Never. Never. It's reminding me of this period here before it flies. Might be able to buy a nice car if you put a few $100s in this. But it depends how high it goes as well. And when you take profit, when you buy, do you sell? I like this token, you know, a lot. But you can't get emotionally attached to these things. Do not sell too early. The bull market hasn't even started yet. You should still take profits, my boy. Becca, in order to realize your best and richest life, you will have to endure constant low-level pain for saying no to habits, short-term pleasures, people, and comfort for decades. This pain is a burden, but not as great as the high pain of reaching old age and realizing you sacrificed a great life for low-level comfort. If you do not sacrifice for your great life is the sacrifice. Fact. You either have constant low-level pain and max fulfillment, or brutal pain and regret later on. The bill always comes due. Depends which bill you want, which life you want to lead, because everybody watching this video can make it. Just depends on who really wants it. Who really wants it, man? There's only a few winners out of all of us. Look at the numbers, man. Only 1%. Once everybody is in fear mode, that's when the true altcoin season starts. We have dropped down. We're just moving sideways for now. We're chopping. But once it flies, it flies. Plus, to be honest, you guys are actively looking to try and improve, so you have more of a chance. Don't waste it. You'll only regret that you didn't bet more. Yo, no way. He actually predicted that on a good level, you know. Consolidation between 108 and 90k, pumped to 108 first, then pumped to 160. He actually predicted this kind of well, you know. That's a madness. It's honestly crazy how the use case of Bitcoin gets stronger and stronger by the day. Humans can't be trusted with literally anything. In fact, this guy's long in XRP because it broke out. I wonder what XRP's at right now. So he took a long on XRP at $2. What would he take it on? 48. Yeah, he was right. It broke out and he made money. Good job, G. Bitcoin consolidating between two potential areas of liquidity. I think we go down first, yep, and we did. We actually went down first, because it's the weekend, innit? What's Soon Network building? What they're actually building? Because apparently they're very good in terms of AI. AI, yeah? Built on the ELIZA framework. Build a bot built on Sui. I need to keep an eye on Sui, because it's performing very well, although I hate the tokenomics. Argentinian President Javier Milei have created a task force for urgent investigation into the Libra token and the people involved in it. Insiders are about to get effed. Good. They're rugging. Bitcoin dominance is in the supply zone while ETH BTC is in a demand zone. The last time after this setup occurred, the market went parabolic. History will repeat. I hope he's right. I hope it doesn't go lower down to here. If not, we're screwed, brother. We're screwed, and nobody, I mean nobody wants that. US tax agency IRS is set to lay off 15,000 employees. Trump also plans to abolish it and remove income tax. Woohoo! Kinda wish I was an American right now. Both Bitcoin and Ethereum are about to explode. I hope you're right, dog. Sol showing mixed signals. Bullish and bearish. If only they knew exactly where it was gonna go. Entire timeline complaining about dumb stuff. Everyone is just waiting for someone or something to come and save them. It's pathetic. Focus on yourself and make your own look real. Look at every crypto chart. Seems bearish, confusing, stop. It all literally comes down to Bitcoin, Ethereum. If you look at both situations, it's stupidly bullish. Bitcoin nations are buying. The finite supply is already causing supply issues. It cannot go anywhere but up. Ethereum, they're running the same price smothering they did when Bitcoin in 2024, we ranged 8 months while BlackRock bought a huge chunk of the supply. There simply is not enough Bitcoin, and the buyers in size and quantity both keep stacking up. This means Ethereum running is inevitable. Alt season mid cap's gonna go nuts is inevitable. If you're an idiot like me, analysing the entire market will just confuse you. The situation for Ethereum and BTC is just a matter of time bullish. I don't know about the real world assets though. Maybe AI? You will see a new Ethereum all-time high, and then sooner than later there's nothing else to analyse or do till then. It's facts, man. He's right. Don't overanalyze. Make sure you know exactly what you're investing in. If you're going to invest, I wouldn't actually recommend investing because this is the nastiest market on the planet. But if you are going to, make sure you've done your research, because I ain't your finance. If you're trusting me, you are cooked. We thought the future of crypto would be countries launching real utility coins. Instead, we got Car and Libra. Mass adoption has been quite anticlimactic so far. Facts. To be honest, I'm tired of the state. I'm tired, man. Mass majority just scams. It's time to rethink if it's already worth being here or not. Genuinely, bro. I'm getting my bag and I'm dipping. I'm not coming back to this garbage. Might see me again in 4 to 10 years, but I'm gone. I'm not looking at it. I'm gone. Someone's going to tell me Bitcoins are like 20k in like a year or two. And I won't care, man. I might buy it when it goes down there, though, but Omikami is a change and you'll miss it, you'll regret. We'll soon tweet. Several tier 1 exchanges will soon list it. The whole crypto space will go gaga. Don't be left out. 11k solid organic holders without any influencers help, and Omikami has been here since 2022. The thing with Omikami is I wonder if it's going to go like parabolic like the Trump coin did and then just sell off. Or it's actually going to hold it for a little while because liquidity doesn't seem to be there. Or is it going to pump after? So when liquidity gets injected into the market, I wonder. The coming weeks up, breaking the chart type vibes. He's getting rugged by politicians atop. We witness one of the fastest and largest destructions of wealth in retail trading history. Argentina's meme coin LIBRA raised 4.5 billion of retail capital in 7 hours. People are robbing you guys, man. Robbing. Meme coins are legal fraud. Just destroyed the meme coin market. Hours ago, President launched a meme coin for the growth of their economy. Within 5 hours, just wiped. Look at that, man. Insiders cash out 87 million. Cryptos are hints at important announcements regarding digital assets coming soon. We do like that. Welcome to the new era of crypto where you're getting rugged by presidents. That's mad. A meme coin ETF, a Doge ETF approval odds at 70%. I'm not saying to buy Doge, by the way. I think the market might have priced this in. Because Doge has pumped. I feel like people sort of believe it, look. I think it'll dump, you know, after the ETF. Don't hate the player, hate the game. They want a meme coin cycle, though. Hate it, I love it, it's going to get us paid. It's a meme coin cycle. Everything that's happening is a meme coin cycle. Isn't just purely gambling, it's bringing the greatest wealth shift in history. Argentina and now the Cayman Islands rugged. Politicians will be the death of meme coins. I have to stop living for other people because when I won and we won, when I lost I had to take that L on my own. Trader, President of Argentina, bro. It's madness. The President of Argentina rugged. Welcome to the new era of crypto. You need to learn your lesson, man. If you're putting your money in this garbage, you deserve to get cooked. Like, look at how many times people are getting rugged. Have you not learnt your lesson by now? I know you're trying to like make some money, but it's just better off staying away. Unless you put $100 in, put a mad stop loss in. If you've got your stop loss ready and all that, then you're okay. But the rest is all noise, man. Stick to the game plan. You're here for one thing and one thing only. Do not. What did Warren Buffett say? Rule number one. What is rule number one, Warren Buffett? What is that? What does that say? Never lose your money.